Emmanuel.
You want to tell Daddy good night?
I can find it.
You can tell Daddy good night? That you enjoyed his company? Huh? You enjoyed his company? And would come back soon? Huh? Can't quit me.
Would you look at the camera?
Tell your daddy you enjoyed his company. And come back soon. Huh? Say come back soon. Tell your daddy. Tell your daddy come back soon. Well, tell him you love him. And you see him later? You do love him? Huh? Or you want him to come back tomorrow? Tell him good night. Uh-oh. Tell your daddy good night. Tell your daddy good night. Say good night, Daddy. Good night, Daddy. Good night, Daddy. Say I love you. I love you, Daddy. Say I love you. And I see you later. Huh? I had a good time with you. Say I had a good time with you. A wonderful time with you. I really did. I really had a wonderful time with you. I felt it in my heart. And it felt good to me. So good to good night.
Okay.